Heading to the beach. Going to put my tire in the Pacific Ocean. It's not the end, but it's the other coast. I gotta do it. See you in a little while. Oh man, started on the Atlantic, been to my most southern point, my most eastern point, now been to my most northern point, and potentially my most western point, at least for now. I touched the Pacific Ocean. Man, it feels good, feels real good. Wasn't planning on it so soon, but I'm glad I did it. Just waking up from a nap, set up right there, pretty close to the ocean, right over there. Get a little rough, clouds are in here, it's supposed to rain tonight, let's see how it goes. See how long it lasts, might have to stay the day. Who knows?